I don't like that, Dom. That's too quick for me. See, have a look at the contrast in here. Look at that. Just an evacuation of participants, right? So there's our catalyst. So let's see if we get the opportunity for a short. So there's been a catalyst that has pushed the market down. There's been a failure, 2 failures since this data at that transition below us. Ask yourself, who are these traders buying up here? Amateurs or professionals? And then ask yourself, if they were any professionals, what would they be doing? They would be exiting because they know it's so early in the move. All right, so we're looking for the opportunity to go short. I have not done so. It's given me no opportunity. And so the hypothesis was there, but I didn't set the opportunity up. Doesn't mean it won't, but at this point it has not. All right, might be getting something in here. Okay, I traded that, I'll show you. Now, when it's fast like this, I have to concentrate. So I talked up until I couldn't anymore. Here's my trade. I'm in. Microscopic heat. I put an order just above the transition. Notice the market's trading there at the transition. I even had time to put in expansion. I'm now flat. Where did this start? From prep. Now, if that was all too quick, that's okay. You know what you do? You go, I just saw that and I felt it was a bit quick for me. I need to go and play that back and just practice it. Right, that's it. You can slow it down on playback and then trade it through at a slower pace and then move the pace up until you're at the point where it's in real time. That is far more beneficial than missing it and just waiting for the next thing. Can't emphasize enough the importance of playback, because I went through all of the rationale for where we wanted to trade, the playing field, covered the catalyst, and I can't do anything more than that. And notice I didn't get in up here. Remember, I couldn't participate in this. Had to wait until there was the right opportunity. Now, this is a little bit too quick for me. However, from prep, I did say that there is an opportunity to trade in this area, remember? But again, I know where my level of skill will hit, gets to as far as like pace. So once it gets too quick for me, I don't want to lose my advantage. It's a bit like going up against a higher ranking tennis player, for example. Wow, look at all the liquidations. See all that? Whoa. Okay, so I'm not in it because it's just a little bit too hectic and frantic for me. So what you guys should be saying to me is, oh, well, Adam, you should play that back and practice it. And you're absolutely right. So now I have a job to do so that if we had have traded it, because remember it was part of our hypothesis to look for another opportunity in there, but it was beyond my pay grade, right? So I will now make a note of it, and there I've got something to work on. All right, and that's what you always want to be doing. Where is it you can keep improving?